Good morning, my dear students. Everything you can get here according to the new syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. It means the whole syllabus you can get here from this channel. Today our chapter is triangles from class 10 NCERT book, and let's take theorem 6.1. Theorem 6.1 is if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. For this purpose, we have to take a triangle. Let it be ABC and a line DE intersect. This one, let's take ABC and a line intersect AB at D and AC at E. So let's write this in given that. So we have to write given that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at distinct points, we have to write in given up to this much. So a line DE intersect AB and AC of triangle ABC at D and E respectively, and DE is parallel to BC. The part of the statement after this one will be our proof. So the other two sides means AB and AC are divided in the same ratio by DE. Means we have to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Let's write this. So we need to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. For this purpose, we need some construction. That is, we have to draw a perpendicular from D on AC, and we have to draw another perpendicular from E on AB. Let's draw this. Let DM is perpendicular to AC and EN is perpendicular to AB. Whenever we construct anything, it should be dotted line. So we have to draw in this way. Okay, and also we have to join BE and CD. It may be also dotted. So our construction is first one is DM perpendicular to AC. Another one is EN perpendicular to AB, and join BE and CD. Now let's prove this. We know that the area of a triangle is half into base into height. Taking that formula, area of triangle ADE will be half into, if base is AD, then it will be half into AD into EN. Let's write this. Area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height, means AD into EN. Another one is area of triangle BDE. BDE, in case of triangle BDE, angle D is an obtuse angle. So perpendicular from E on this angle, on this side, will be outside the triangle. Means EN is perpendicular to BD. So let's write this. Area of triangle BDE is equal to half into BD into EN. So we have to find the ratio of area of triangle ADE and BDE. Let's find this. Means the LHS divided by LHS and RHS divided by RHS. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to half into AD into EN by half into BD into EN. This equal to half and half cancel from numerator and denominator. En and En also cancel from numerator and denominator. The remaining part is AD and BD. AD by BD it is. So it will let it be equation 1. Similarly, we can prove that. Let's take two triangles and try to prove. Area of triangle ADE. Once again, when AE is the base of this triangle, then it will be base and perpendicular from D to AE is DM. So area of triangle ADE will be equal to half into AE into DM. Because in this case we have take AE as the base, so perpendicular will be DM. Write this. Area of triangle ADE will be half into AE into AE into DM, and area of triangle CDE, take this. Let's see triangle CDE. This one is triangle CDE. In this case, angle E is an obtuse angle. So perpendicular from D on the side CE will be outside the triangle. It will be DM. So area of triangle CDE will be half into EC into DM. Let's write this. It will be equal to half into EC into DM. Taking the ratio of area of these two triangles, we have to divide LHS by LHS and RHS by RHS. Same way as we have find this one. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE is equal to half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. Half cancelled from numerator and denominator, and DM are also cancelled from numerator and denominator. So the remaining part is AE by EC. Let it be equation 2. We have already learned in class 9 that when two or more triangles stands on the same base and lie between same parallels, then their area is equal. So in this case, see triangle BDE and triangle CDE both are stands on same base DE, because any side of a triangle can be base. So DE is parallel to BC and both the triangles stands on the same base DE. So area of triangle BDE and area of triangle CDE must be equal. So we have to write triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on same base DE, and between same parallels BE and BC. So area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Let it be equation 3. Now see equation 2. Area of triangle CDE. This can be replaced by area of triangle CDE can be replaced by area of triangle BDE. So let's write this from equation 2 and 3. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle C. In place of CDE, we have to write area of triangle BDE. Let's write this. Area of triangle BDE is equal to AE by EC. Let it be equation 4. Now see equation 1 and equation 4 and see the LHS, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. Here also area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. So LHS of equation 1 and equation 4 are equal. So we can write RHS must be equal. So from equation 1 and 4 we can write AD by BD or DB. AD by BD equal to AE by EC. So our statement is proved now. My dear students, whenever you could not understand, you can send me a message to ask your doubt, and also you must subscribe. I request to the new viewer to subscribe my channel and also press on the icon button. Press on the bell icon so that you can get every video that I have uploaded. Thank you.